Round 1. Fight. You win.
In this course I'm going to be showing you how to create your own fighting game inside of the Unity game engine. We're going to be bringing in a series of free characters as well as a wide range of free animations. We're going to be creating this character select screen so you can move through all the different characters that you can choose, and you can then set up an AI character. So this is a computer controlled character that will fight against you, and it will seem as though the computer character is just as effective and just as realistic as a real player. You can then choose which character you want to fight against, and they will dynamically load into whichever level you choose, and there are a wide range of levels to choose from. We will also be setting up a two-player mode, so we will be mapping the controls for two gamepad controllers, so you can have two people playing at the same time, as well as being able to control the characters via keyboard. Okay, so under the controls we can see that we've got a variety of moves such as basic movement, light and heavy, punches and kicks, as well as a block move, and these are the keys that we're going to map against the keyboard. Under options you can set a difficulty setting for the AI character, as well as controlling the music volume and the sound effects volume independently. We're going to be setting up animator controllers for each character and mapping the animations to various parameters that we're going to then access in C# scripts. We're going to create a wide variety of C# scripts using easy to understand and easy to implement code. So by the end of this course you will have a fully completed fighting game, which will look great in your portfolios, but you can also use the game in any way that you like. So you can distribute it for free on websites, or you can sell it commercially, for example on Steam or something, and you will have gained the experience and knowledge of how to make this type of game inside of the Unity game engine. So if this sounds like the kind of course that you want to take, why not enroll today? And I look forward to seeing you in my course.